I didn't teach my kids this, and I swear I regret it. Because I'll say, they'll get a gift. Did you send a thank you card? No, Mom. Did you send a thank you card? No, Mom. Send a thank you card. If someone sends you a gift, send them a thank you card. When you wake up Christmas morning and your kids tear up that wrapping paper, it is all over the floor. So what do you do with it? Throw it in the trash? Not anymore, because today our hack is taking holiday decorations and brown paper bag and making thank you cards. Now, here's my supplies, and I got glue, string for my beautiful card, and also I actually threaded it around using toothpicks. And my Santa, I love him. I painted him brown, and I used scissors to cut around to give it that cut. Lots of glitter, and those, oh my gosh, are beautiful. I found those at the dollar store, and just to decorate, make your card look really nice. So we're gonna start with a white cardstock. Okay, so I'm cutting some of the wrapping paper and the Christmas trees because, of course, as you know, I do not buy wrapping paper. This is some wrapping paper that was left in our house, so I'm just cutting them up so that I can put trees on top of my card. And I just simply use glue, and that's pretty much it. And oh my gosh, it's so hard to get that old glue out, like, oh my gosh. This is me gluing the Christmas trees down, and of course I made a mess, so I may as well use that. Oh my gosh, it's $1, but that's still $1. So yeah, I'm just laying them out really nicely, and then I'm gonna draw on them and add glitter to it. So of course I need to include the words thank you, because my kids forget to send thank you cards. And moms, it's okay if, you know, you send a card out for your kid. Just don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Okay, and I'm just tracing the letters with glue. My brush was really hard, you know, probably left it out all night. And then I just simply shake the glitter on, and it's just like magic, and the card is so beautiful. And this is our final product. All right, so that's it. Oh my gosh, I made a mess because my glue wouldn't come out, but you know, of course, there will always be complications. I taught my kids that if you make a mess, just clean it up. You remember the Barney song? So we are done, and here is a sample of a simple card that you could beautify either using paper bag, or I got, in this case, some cardstock. You can get cardstock at Staples, and it's not that much. So you know what? Save money with brown paper bag. Oh my gosh, did you see my brown Santa? Yes. As well as this card. So that's it for today, folks, and hope you utilize, you know, the leftover paper that you have on the floor, and your kids send some amazing thank you cards. And you know what? They're gonna remember this and teach their kids as well. All right, so stay tuned for our next hack for today. If you have any questions, share, like, and subscribe to us. And thank you for joining us at Fran's Friday Hacks.